All right, so we've turned on the car and we see that this is at our magical number, 33. Now, if it wasn't at 33, I can always adjust it up or down, and then I press the button here and we're good to go. This here is actually a light, so if you're at night, you want to check whatever you need to check, make sure there's no skunks around, whatever it may be. It has a light with it as well, but the great thing is that it's automated because you don't want to overinflate your tire as well, because you put yourself at risk of popping a tire. You know, it's just like a balloon. You don't want to overinflate it, and definitely don't want to underinflate it, because that's going to have a lot more of the car having to put up more power, because basically you're on flat tires, and at the same time it's going to make it's going to mess up the wear of the tire. The tires are, you think they're cheap, they add up. I mean, they should last you, you know, it depends on, you know, the warranty, 45,000, 65,000 miles, but not only making sure that you inflate your tires correctly and properly, also that they are balanced and rotated often. They say at least about every 5,000 miles, so you want to write that down whenever you do get them done, and then have some type of system that shows when you've actually balanced and rotated them, to where that you can keep these for a longer time for your rentals. There are places out there that'll do free balance and rotations. I've seen that when prices for balance and rotations have gone down to like $50 or so, but if you get tires from, let's say, Firestone, or you get them from a Discount Tire, once you bring them in, especially if you have a fleet account, they'll just automatically do that for you, and it's for free. So that's going to save a good amount of money and also time. Please make sure you set up an online account, and then do an online appointment, and that'll help you out in saving time. Because remember, as we said, time economy. Even though this is a semi-passive business, your time economy is still going to cost you money, so make sure you're cognizant of that. All right, peace.